Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can close your Wirex account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wirex app, and once you open it, all you need to do is simply enter your PIN code number to get logged in into your account and get its access. So once you type in your PIN code, you will end up in this page where you need to click on your profile icon. So just simply scroll it down below where you can find the delete account option. So all you need to do is simply tap on it and press on the delete account. So once you do this, you will end up in its web page where you need to make a request about your problem. So as for account closure, simply tap on account closure and then simply select the country of your residence, your email address, and after you select this, simply type in what help can the Wirex team give you. So how can we help you? You need to type in help me delete my account, and once you type it in, you need to simply tap on the submit request option. So once your request is accepted, your account Wirex will be closed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.